Assalamu alaikum, this is Kamran Mir. In today's tutorial we will learn how we can take online quiz or assessment from our students if we are using Google Classroom. Definitely most of the teachers are using Google Classroom through their mobile phones, so some of the options which are easily accessible from the PC or laptop, so they are not available from mobile phone. So if I go to Google Classroom, once you are inside your class, within the classwork you can click the plus sign and click on assignment. But here you can only give the assignment, you can give the points, due date and the topic. But if you want to integrate an online quiz which is easily accessible from the PC or laptop, from mobile it is not, this option is not available. So what you have to do, you can go to Google Chrome and type forms.google.com. After opening this link, you can create the online quiz. You can give the title of your quiz 1, give the title of your quiz 1, and go to dots and settings and make sure you have enabled the quiz option, because by default this is a data collecting form, so make it a quiz. And if you want to release the grade immediately, you can select the first option, otherwise you can select the second option. And accordingly, if you want your respondent to see the missed questions, correct answers or the point values, you can change the options accordingly. Once you are done with these options, click on save button. Type the first question, for example, what is ICT? So if you want to give multiple options, for example, information technology, adding second option, information and communication technology, and the third option, only technology. By clicking this tick sign, you can select which is the correct answer. For example, if you select this one is answer, correct answer, and we will give it, like, for this correct answer there are 5 points, so we can make it done. So this will be used for automatic assessment. The computer will automatically calculate the result of your quiz, and you can add multiple questions of different types like this. Again, adding second question and giving multiple options. You can give check boxes. You can also select that this option is the correct answer, and there will be 5 points or whatever points you want to give for the respective question. You can change accordingly. So once you are done with this, you can click on this link, send link, and click on this to get the URL. You can shorten the URL as well. You can copy this link and come back to your Google Classroom and click on assignment sign, quiz 1, adding the attachment sign, give the link, paste your quiz link here, click on add, and you can mention that this quiz is, like, it will be 10 points quiz, due date is whatever you want to give. You can select or create a topic as well, and click on this send button. This way you can create the quiz you can see the students work as well. By clicking on the link, the quiz will open, and you can see the result, on real-time basis as well. Once you are logged in with your account, the same account, when you click on this edit button, you can see the responses, and this response will automatically calculate the quiz result as well accordingly. So this is today from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.